From the Wright brothers' first airplane to the giant jets we see today, people have always been fascinated by flying. The United States, with its history of inventing new things and great engineering, has been a leader in airplane technology for a long time. This video explores the world of American aerospace, focusing on its most popular export airplanes and airplane parts. This industry is super important to the global economy, connecting people and businesses all over the world. When we talk about aerospace products, we're talking about way more than just airplanes. We're talking about everything from huge passenger planes and superfast fighter jets to spaceships exploring outer space, and all the little parts that make them work. In 2023 alone, the United States made a whopping $130 billion by selling these aerospace marvels to other countries. That shows how important the US is in this high-tech field. Building these amazing machines isn't cheap. The process of creating an aircraft involves a multitude of steps, each requiring specialized skills and precision. From the initial design phase to the final assembly, every stage is meticulously planned and executed. A brand new Boeing 737, the kind of plane you see a lot at airports, can cost anywhere from $99 million to $135 million, depending on the type and what features it has. This price tag includes advanced avionics, state-of-the-art engines, and a host of safety features that ensure the aircraft can operate efficiently and safely. The assembly of such a complex machine is a marvel of modern engineering involving thousands of parts and countless hours of labor. Military aircraft with their fancy technology are even more expensive. These planes are equipped with cutting-edge technology designed for both defense and offense, making them some of the most advanced machines in the world. Systems and landing gear are all really expensive because they're built with such precision and have to go through lots of testing. And advanced machinery. After assembly, each aircraft undergoes a series of final inspections and quality control checks. Of excellence. The United States sells its aerospace products to countries all over the world. The biggest buyers are in a few key areas: the European Union, China, the Middle East, Canada, and Japan. These places have big airlines that are always buying more planes to keep up with more and more people traveling. Military forces around the world use American aircraft for defense, and space agencies rely on American technology for exploring and research. Making an airplane is a really complicated and interesting process. It involves a multitude of steps, each requiring precision and expertise. From the initial design phase to the final test flights, every stage is crucial to ensure the aircraft's safety and efficiency. It takes tons of work by skilled engineers, technicians, and assembly workers. These professionals bring together their knowledge and experience to tackle the various challenges that arise during the construction of an airplane. Each team member plays a vital role in the overall success of the project. It all starts with the design, where engineers use special computer software to create blueprints for airplanes that are safe and efficient. This phase is critical as it lays the foundation for the entire project. Engineers must consider aerodynamics, weight distribution, fuel efficiency, and safety regulations. They use advanced simulation tools to predict how the aircraft will perform under various conditions. Then they get all the materials like strong metals like titanium and aluminum, and carbon composites from all over the world. These materials are chosen for their strength, durability, and lightweight properties. The procurement process is meticulous, ensuring that only the highest quality materials are used. Suppliers from different parts of the globe contribute to this effort, making it a truly international collaboration. The planes are built in huge factories like Boeing's Everett plant in Washington state, which is one of the biggest buildings in the world. This facility is equipped with state-of-the-art machinery and technology, allowing for the efficient assembly of aircraft. The sheer scale of the operation is impressive, with thousands of workers and countless components coming together in a synchronized manner. There, they put all the parts together carefully, checking each one to make sure it's perfect. Quality control is a top priority, with rigorous inspections at every stage of the assembly process. Specialized teams are responsible for ensuring that each component meets the highest standards. Any defects or discrepancies are addressed immediately to prevent any issues down the line. Finally, they test the airplane on the ground and in the air to make sure it's safe and works properly before it's delivered. Ground tests include checking the engines, avionics, and other critical systems. Once these tests are successfully completed, the aircraft undergoes a series of test flights. These flights are conducted by experienced pilots who evaluate the plane's performance in real-world conditions. Only after passing all these tests is the airplane deemed ready for delivery to airlines around the world. The United States has stayed on top in the aerospace industry for a few reasons. One of the most significant factors is the country's unwavering commitment to innovation and technological advancement. This dedication has been a cornerstone of the American aerospace sector for decades, driving continuous progress and maintaining a competitive edge on the global stage. The biggest reason is that the country is always working on research and development. American aerospace companies invest heavily in R&D, ensuring that they are at the forefront of cutting-edge technology. This investment is not just about creating new technologies, but also about refining and improving existing ones. By doing so, they can offer more efficient, safer, and more reliable aircraft and aerospace systems. American aerospace companies spend a lot of money developing new technologies and making existing ones better, so they stay ahead of everyone else. This relentless pursuit of excellence is evident in the advanced materials they use, the sophisticated design processes they employ, and the rigorous testing protocols they follow. Each step in the development process is meticulously planned and executed to ensure the highest standards of quality and performance. Also, the United States is home to some of the biggest aerospace companies in the world, like Boeing, Lockheed Martin, and General Electric. These industry giants have a long history of innovation and success, contributing significantly to the country's leadership in aerospace. Their extensive experience, combined with vast resources and a highly skilled workforce, enables them to tackle some of the most challenging projects in the industry. These companies have lots of experience, expert workers, and resources to design and build some of the most advanced aircraft in the world. Their expertise spans a wide range of areas, from commercial aviation to defense and space exploration. By leveraging their deep knowledge and cutting-edge technology, they continue to push the boundaries of what is possible in aerospace, setting new standards for the industry and inspiring future generations of engineers and innovators. The aerospace industry is always changing, with new challenges and opportunities popping up all the time. Climate change is a big problem, so we need airplanes that use less fuel and are better for the environment. New technology like artificial intelligence and automation is changing how airplanes are designed, built, and flown. The United States, with its innovative spirit and skilled workers, is in a good position to lead the way in dealing with these challenges. From passenger planes connecting people across the world, to military planes protecting countries, to spaceships exploring the universe, the aerospace industry is incredibly important. The United States, with its history of innovation, skilled workers, and commitment to research, will continue to be a leader in the future of flight. What do you think about the US being a leader in the aerospace industry? Share your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos about the world around us.